at our large stackable pocket set. Now this is a set of 3. It's a big set of pockets. You can use them individually. You can stack them up on top of one another. So let me show you. You've got a 4 by 2.5, a 4 by 3.5, and a 4 by 4.5 pocket. And then yes, everything does come with a layering die. So I've got the stitched piece, which would be purple, the decorative piece, stitched piece, which is the peachy pink, and then the black. And I've already folded these guys over and folded this one over. So I put my, let's just add a little bit more tape runners. So let's put my last decorative piece onto this one. And then they can be used individually. You could have 2 pockets right next to each other, but they were designed to stack up on top of one another, and you can have multiple sets of pockets. So the way you would do that was you glue this back side right there, put that guy down, repeat, repeat, and now you've got a pocket, decorative layer, another pocket, decorative layer, another pocket, decorative layer. That is your stackable, or of course, you've got larger pockets to use however you'd like. Pages, mini albums, however, enjoy.